Hi, independent GelMoment distributor Kim Foster here. We're going to do some fun and easy chrome bubble nails. We're going to need Witchcraft, Clearly Frisky, and our number 12 Spectrum Chrome Powder. And also you're going to need some foaming hand soap. This is a super easy nail art hack. To begin, we're going to go ahead and apply a base coat of Witchcraft to our nail. You only need to put one coat on when you're dealing with our chrome powder, which is awesome. So it's a pretty fast mani. I'm going to go ahead and nuke it, but I only cure it for 40 seconds instead of the full 45. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our chrome powder. I always tap it before I open just to prevent it from spilling over the edge. I'm going to take my applicator and rub it onto the nail. Because it's a holographic chrome, it's a little bit hard to demonstrate, but what you're doing is you're just rubbing it on until it becomes really nice and shiny. Sometimes I find, especially with a lighter color, that a finger actually works better and it just sort of melts because of the heat when you rub it onto the polish. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe any excess powder off with the other end of the applicator and apply a layer of Clearly Frisky. Now you want to leave this layer wet. This is what's going to give us that bubble look. I'm just going to apply some foaming soap to my mat, mix it up a bit. You could also use a straw to create some bigger bubbles and blow in there. You want to go with the bigger bubbles because it's going to give more of an impact. I'm just using my Cuticle Pusher to put them on, but you could use like a toothpick or whatever works, a pen, it's all good. Now you're gonna pop it under the lamp and do a full 45-second cure. I find that if you work 1 to 2 nails at a time, that's the best because the bubbles don't dissipate. Here's our gorgeous completed chrome bubble nail. And this is what it looks like in a full manicure. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos.